Hi and welcome to the Insight District. If you enjoy this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my page. This is where I installed my dash cam. I haven't hardwired the cable, but I've run the GPS antenna across to the left hand side of the windscreen. It's under the headlining, the cable, and runs back down the side. For the power cable, I have run from the cigarette lighter under the dash. I've come across, I fed the cable up inside under the door seal. I then have run it up the inside of the door trim, or the pillar trim, and then just mounted it up under the headlining and to the unit. You can hardwire the wiring in, but I found it's just easier if your cable is long enough to just use the cigarette lighter. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my channel for more other videos. Thank you for watching.